My name is Isabella, and I am your Rebel Seamstress, your helpful guide in fulfilling all of your sewing, pattern making, and draping dreams. Today, we are going to quickly go over how to tie off a double-threaded needle. Because there may be situations where you want the strength and the bold look of a double-threaded seam. You will need a needle, thread, sewing snips or scissors, and 2 strips of muslin, or any fabric you have is fine. If you are joining me in making your own sewing sample book, please cut your muslin strips 8 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. Let's begin. Grab your needle and thread. Find the end of the thread, lick it, snip it, and put it through your needle. Pull the thread to the desired length and snip. Now we have 2 thread ends. Hold them close together as if the 2 threads are one, and tie a slip knot. Tie over your knot 2 to 3 times. Amazing. Here you will see that the 2 thread ends are tied together. Now let's sew a seam with our double-threaded needle. Take 2 pieces of muslin and directly layer them on top of one another. If you are joining me in making your own sample book, please sew a single-threaded seam and a double-threaded seam parallel to one another for comparison. Enter your needle from the back side and begin to sew. Make sure you stay consistent with your stitch length so your seam looks nice and clean. My stitches are about 1/4 of an inch long. Now pull the needle until your knot hits the fabric and continue on. You may be sewing along and accidentally make a stitch that's slanted and off track, and you say, "Miss Isabella, what do I do? Since the needle is double threaded, it's impossible to take it off and undo the stitch." Have no fear, because I have a method to show you. It kind of feels like cheating, but all you have to do is actually cut off your needle from your double thread. Use the back end of your needle to gently remove your mistake stitch. Then rethread your needle with both ends together as if they are one. And now you can continue to sew. Once you finish sewing, let's secure the seam. Flip it over to the back side and tie 2 or 3 slip knots against your fabric. Don't forget to snip your tails, and voila, you did it. And here are all the notes from today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching this fashion tutorial with your Rebel Seamstress. To help support the creation of more videos like this, click that like button and leave a comment to let me know if you have found this video helpful, or if you are left with any further questions. Your feedback is very appreciated, for it will help me make even better tutorials in the future. And please subscribe to stay tuned for more sewing, pattern making, and draping tutorials to come.